Let's upgrade your Mustang with AOOA Racing Caliper Covers. Let's start with the front. Remember, positioning is key for a perfect fit. For the front, the rubber head faces up, aluminum tube down. Remember this installation sequence in tightening the nuts. Then slide the cover onto the caliper. Secure it with the buckle and anti-drop nut, starting with the lower bolts, then the top. And that's the front done. Moving on to the rear. For the rear, ensure the same orientation. The rubber head faces up, aluminum tube down. Then slide the cover onto the caliper. Attach the cover and tighten the nuts on both sides for a perfect and secure fit. And voila! Your Mustang now flaunts the sleek AOOA Racing Caliper Covers. Upgrade your wheels with AOOA Racing.